Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to pin conversations on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to X or Twitter, open it, and after that go and click on the messages icon on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go to the conversation that you want to pin, long press on it. And as you can see, you will have multiple options here. You have to click on the second one, pin conversation. And as you can see, there is like pin icon that appeared next to the time counter. And like that, your messages are, or this message is pinned and everything is good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to click on the button like, and see you in the next one.